Hello everybody, this is Bernard the Necromancer back with Dead Space 2. Have not done a recording in a while. I know that last episode I said I would restart my computer and try to get rid of the lag. It doesn't seem it's lagging at all, and I just restarted my computer, but it has been about 2 weeks since I recorded last. I kind of ran out of antidepressants, so I have not been feeling like recording. But now I feel like recording, so I'm gonna record. Okay, oh yeah, I'm going to be releasing Minecraft soon as well. I may be doing... Oh god, it's this place. I forgot about this place. Well, I sort of forgot about it. Is that a dead dude? Or is that one of the... Oh, okay. It's one of the weird little thingies, the exploding things. Anyways, I will be releasing Minecraft soon, and finishing up my Eldritch series, but, oh god, this place is filled with those fucking awful, horrible thingies. They're, the weird bird things. Oh my... Oh shit. Oh god. Oh god. Fuck you. Oh, it's... Wow, that was really easy. I just chopped off both of its legs. Ah! Ah! Oh, Jesus. Fuck you. You twat. Where is it? Okay, come on. Come running at me, bro. Boom, bitch. Take that. Fucking bird, bitch. Oh, God. Did it just blow up on that thingy over there? That's amazing. Oh god, I think there's another one. Oh, sweet. It's beautiful. An audio log. I don't want to read or, listen to that while I'm running for my fucking life. Oh, Jesus. Christ, okay. I'll resume my, coherent speech when I'm... Ah! Oh, fucking hell! Oh. Oh, shit! Fucking run! Don't want to get blown up. Oh, fucking hell. Okay. I think I hear some more. Don't want to get... Oh, what's that? Is that one of them? Oh, got it. Oh, fuck! It was peeking over. Creepy motherfucker. Ah! Woo! Please, God, tell me that's the last of them. Ooh, some credits. Like credits. I like trains. Okay. And is that all of them? Please, God, tell me that's all of them. I hate those things so much. Oh yeah, my mouse has been acting up too, which is a fucking pain in the ass, especially in games like this. Oh, okay, so there are more of these. So I'm afraid there's going to be more of the enemies. Uh-oh. Did I just bang this against something? I don't know. Uh-oh. Oh, fuck. Whew. Fucking hell. Where are they? Where are they? There's one. There's two. Okay, let's let one... Fuck! Fuck! Oh god, I'm fucked up. I really need to use my stasis more often. Woo! Okay, there's one. Just one more. Oh, okay, there it is. Fuck you, you bitch! Dirty bitch! Oh, hell, thank Christ. Okay. And more stasis. Oh god. Am I still hearing the sound of the monsters? No? Oh. God, this room is a pain in the ass. Huge pain in the ass. I've had to go through and save each time I kill a few monsters. So there's like 3 or 4 stages in this room, and it's just nasty. So I haven't made it past this point yet. Oh. More health. Wonderful. Wunderbar. And please God, say this is the end. Hello. Ow, you little bitch bastard. Is that the last one? There we go. Ruby semiconductor. More health. Great. Spent. Oh, god damn it. Stupid exploding thing should have been in plain sight so that noobs can see it. Oh, fucking hell. Okay. Finally made it past that point. I think I died about 10 times in that room. Oh, Jesus. Something tells me I'm gonna go up against more of those space titties that kicked the crap out of me a few episodes ago. Woo! Boom, bitch. God damn, there are a lot of these things. That... I'll just stomp this bit for good measure. Stomp. Stomp. Ooh. That'd be a nope. And... nope. Okay. Nope. There we are. Is there another one over there? Is there any on the roof? Oh, shit! Fuck you, you bitch! Oh. Oh, God, I thought there was another one. Okay. So that thing must have still been alive when I stomped it. Jesus. Hazardous shit right there. A de-limbed corpse. At least I don't have to de-limb it. Alright, time to buy some shit. Whew. Lots of delicious ammo. Look at all that shit. Okay. And I got some health packs, so hopefully I won't run out of those for a while. Oh, God, what's that thing?
Ellie, there's a giant tentacle blocking the transport door. It's wrapped around a big tank.
A big tank? Nitrogen trichloride. Those explode if they overheat.
Perfect.
Great. So, let's see. Boom, bitch! Oh. Boom. So I have to go find a few more, I'm guessing. Let's go down. Doesn't look like it. Okay, so maybe I have to find some more in here. How the fuck do I do this? Do I need a flamer? Oh, I'm a retard. Okay. Boom, and... come on. Is there another one? Come on. Ah, there we are. Just had to recharge a bit. And boom. Whew.
That worked. We're moving again. We'll wait for you up ahead.
Sweet.
I'll meet you there.
Another one. Okay. Let's do this. Boom, bitch! Oh, fuck! Ah! Oh, shit!
If you set that off, it will incinerate
Ah!
in here.
Yes, it will.
Run the fuck away! And blow this shit up. Oh god, I'm really missing that thing. Uh-oh. Oh. And boom! Oh, that did not work. Okay, I think I need to hit it in the arms. Come on. Chop. Oh yeah, that was easy. Okay. Let's run away. Oh, yes, bitch. Take that. Woo! Took a lot more ammo than it gave me, though, sadly.
There's more coming from holes in the wall.
Oh, fuck's sake! Oh, fuck! Ah! Jesus! Ah! Fuck you! Run! Run like a bitch, Isaac! And... boom! Come on. Ah! Come on. Yes, you bitch! Ooh, keeps giving me ammo. That's nice. Okay. Maybe I should keep on throwing them at this already. Uh-oh. Ah! Oh, God! Okay, so I have my stuff back, so that's nice. And boom! Chop off his limb. Yes! Beautiful. And splat. Oh, fuck. Oh, God, he hit me. Ugh. Oh. Uh-oh. Woo! Oh, shit. Okay, let's see if this... No, it didn't drop it. Lame. Okay, soon. Just one more. And... boom! Oh, shit. Oh, fuck! I better get the fuck out of here. Where do I go? Do I go out here? Yes, I do. Get out of here! Get to the chopper! Shit is exploding! You're one crazy motherfucker, Isaac. Oh, fuck! Yes, get the fuck out of here.
I can't make it go any faster.
Come on, come on! Shit's on fire! Oh, thank Christ. Whew!
In another situation, I might admire your persistence, Mr. Clark. But this is bigger than you and bigger than the lives of everyone on this station.
Sir, final preparations for attack are wrapping up.
Looks like it ends here. At this point, it's all just dead weight.
Isaac, what did he mean? What did he mean when he said dead weight?
He's using the solar beam. We gotta stop the transport now.
Oh, fuck. You are a bitch. You know that, Tideman?
He's cut the station in half. There's no track to get across on.
Back us up. Back us up to the station.
What? Why?
Just do it, Ellie. Hurry. The Ishimura. If the gravity tethers are still functional, I can...
You can snag Govsec and drag it back? Isaac, this is ridiculous.
If I can line the transport for a few seconds, you should be able to get the transport across. Stay ready. And take care of Strauss.
Isaac, no. This is a really bad idea.
Well, what the fuck else choice do we have?
All bad ideas.
Whew. Okay, I got dick loads of pulse rifle ammo. I better start using some of that. Stand by. Alright. Unlocked. There we go. Sweet. Oh joy. Fancy ride. Something took me. Gonna have Necromorphs dropping down on me soon. Doesn't look to be any vents though. Uh-oh. I think there are some in the ground. Little holes.